Okay, just got the new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G unlocked version, and we're going to unbox it. Very similar in size to the 9. Looks like the Bixby button is gone from the left side. And you've got cameras that are poked out there. Not a huge fan of that. Okay. And that does not look like the imagery. That is way stuck out there.
We'll see what the case looks like.
The case is over there. Got a quick charger. Not sure what that is, just a filler. Yep. USB-C dual end. And it looks like that's it. Wow, we didn't even get the standard. We didn't even get the standard little door opener there. Okay, well, there it is. Awesome.